Hello and welcome back to a new video, and in this video I'll show you how to check audience active time on Instagram. For that, just go and open your Instagram app, and then what you need to do is head to your profile icon, and there you will see professional dashboard that is just below your bio. Tap there, and in this you need to find your total followers that will be in this area, and then tap there and scroll to the very bottom of the page to find the most active time session. Then scroll to the very bottom of the page to find the most active and then scroll to the very bottom of the page to find the most active time section, and there you will see two options, hours and days. Tap on hours and you will see the activity throughout 24 hours period for specific days, and there you can see the active times of your audience on Instagram. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions or queries, just let us know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.